Hello everyone. Want to quickly run you through getting Git installed on your Windows 11 machines or Windows 10 machines. So first off, we're going to grab a browser, go to git-scm.com. Homepage pop up. It automatically took us to the downloads page because I've been here before. But you're going to notice that we also have Windows, Mac OS, and Linux available as downloads. For simplicity's sake, we're just going to click on the latest version here that's in the monitor right here, download for Windows. We're on a modern 64-bit computer, so we're going to click under the standalone installer. Once we've got it downloaded, we're going to go to our downloads folder. And we're going to go ahead and run the executable. So we can right click, open. Some of you may have to do run as administrator. If a user account control window pops up, click on yes. You want to allow this app to make changes to our device. From there, it's going to pop up and say public license. Just go ahead and click next. Also, it's fine going into C program files, Git. So next, we have a few options here. I want to go over these really quickly. Additional icons, you can add them to your desktop if you want. I want to make sure that your Windows Explorer integration, these two are checked. So we're going to have Git Bash and Git GUI here. Large file support should be checked. We're going to go ahead and associate Git and .sh files to be run with Bash. You don't necessarily need to check daily for Git for Windows updates. To make sure that you do click as this next one here down, new, add a Git Bash profile to Windows Terminal. Definitely want to do that because that will allow you to use Git Bash in PowerShell. After that, we're going to click next, leaving it fine at the default for Git. So here's the other thing you want to definitely double check. Vim is fine if that's what you want to use. If not, I really recommend switching to Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor, or something like Notepad. Any of these others are fine. All you need to do is set what you want to use. I don't have Visual Studio Code installed yet, so I'm going to use Notepad, regular Notepad, as the default editor, which is fine. We're going to go ahead and hit the other button here for override the default branch name for new repositories. And we're going to make sure this is set to main, M-A-I-N. Click next. We're going to do the second option, Git from the command line and also from third parties. Next. The bundled OpenSSH is fine. Next. The OpenSSL library is fine here. Next. We're going to hit the second option here, check out as is, commit Unix style linings. That way you don't have any issues and it should fix things automatically for you. And once they're committed that way, you don't generally have the issue reading them back in. Next, we're going to leave this as default, the fast forward or merge options. When you pull down, please use the Git credential manager and hit next. File system caching is fine. And you can uncheck these two experimentals. After that, let's go ahead and hit install. We don't need to view the release notes, so we can go ahead and hit finish. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull up our PowerShell. Git -- version, and to check and make sure that it's installed. And we see here that on this PC we have Git version 2.40.1, Windows.1 installed. Thank you all. If you have any questions, please let us know.